Welcome to the HLModTech YouTube channel, your choice for clear, concise content every single week. Friends, it's time to level up the channel, so let's get cracking. You can support the channel for free. Simply smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be first to see what's new. Watching the first 30 seconds of ads, hitting that like button, and dropping a comment, all of that helps the channel more than you know, and yes, every little bit counts. Willing to level up your support? Check out the YouTube memberships. There are 3 levels available: Apprentice, Tinker, and Sensei. Each tier comes with cool perks, so find the one that fits you best. If you prefer Patreon, that is an awesome option too. You will get access to a vibrant community, bonus content, and a place to connect with other Tinkercad creators that love to learn and share. No matter how you choose to support, thank you. As a teacher, nothing makes my day more than when real learning occurs. You have helped shape this channel into what it is today, and I couldn't have done it without you. Stay awesome, have a glorious day, and keep tinkering.